Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to play No Other Way by Jack Johnson. So take a guitar and join me for it. Well, your mind is a mess, so is mine. I can't sleep cause it hurts when I think. My thoughts aren't at peace with the plans that we make. Chances we take, they're not yours, they're not mine. There's waves that can break all the words that are said and words that we mean. Words can fall short, can't see it unseen, cause the world is a place for somebody's sake. Now please close your eyes, woman, please get some sleep, and know that if I knew all the answers I would not hold them from you. Know everything that I know, we told each other there is no other way. Too much silence can be misleading. You're drifting, I can tell it by the way that you're breathing. You don't really need to find reason. It's out the same door that it came, and it's leaving, leaving like the day that's done.